Yep, good luck. Godspeed.
There you go. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yay. If you look off to the right, the Pioneers had satellite TV.
Ooh, they were way ahead of their time. They just didn't even know.
But this is what we hiked for?
Oh, we can't even see it from over here. Site number 5, Caesars Creek State Park, Wilmington, Ohio.
Speed test time.
Yep.
As we normally do. AT&T.
15.1 download, 1.72 upload.
T-Mobile.
18.7 download, 1.23 up.
Verizon.
45.6 download, 2.70 upload.
They all did very well. Verizon's probably the best at this particular campground.
Yes, at this particular site. And we are in site number 5.
Yes. What are you making me?
Well, you said that you weren't feeling the best you could feel. So I said, how about I make you a hot toddy? And he's like, what's that? So here we are.
Right.
Googled it, looked it up, and of course we don't travel with whiskey or bourbon or any of that stuff. But
Dave Fitch
does. So he brought this over. So I'm going to be making a couple of hot toddies to get this day started. This a little bit more honey, but I think it's pretty good.
It's good.
Like it?
Yeah.
It is kind of different. I thought it would taste a lot more boozy, but
Yeah.
it smells more boozy than it tastes.
I was expecting it to have more of the whiskey
Yeah.
flavor, but it's got a lot of lemon.
Yeah. Here's the turkey. It's a 6 to 7 pound turkey breast, so there's no legs or anything, which is perfect for us. I've got it all seasoned with my dry rub, cut some holes in my bag, and it is ready to go in the convection. Based on the size of this turkey breast, it needs to cook for at least 2.5 to 3 hours to get up to temperature, which I will check with my meat thermometer, but my convection only goes up to 99 minutes. So I'm gonna have to re-put it back in for the remainder of the time. Not a big deal, gives me a chance to check everything, maybe flip it around or do whatever I need to do. Turkey is still going. It's been through the cycle once and now it's going through it again. And I also have my potatoes. They're cut up. They are skinned, cut up, and I'm going to bring them to a boil. Once those are done, I'm going to drain them. Then I'm going to mash them, add in all of my specialness to it, and then that's going to go in after the turkey comes out. Mike is feeling a little under the weather still, so I'm not going to go out and make all kinds of food if he's not going to eat it. So I asked him what he wanted, turkey and his potatoes and maybe some green beans. He also asked for a pumpkin pie, but I don't really know if you should be eating pumpkin pie if you're sick. What do you guys think? Should he have pumpkin pie? I know pumpkin is good, but there's a lot of sugar in it. I think he'd be pretty upset if I didn't. The weird thing about today is it says it's 64 degrees outside, and I'm doing all this baking, so I have to have all the windows and doors open, because it currently says it's 77 degrees in here. how this turkey came out. I already took the temperature and everything was on par. Yeah. Looks good. Here you go. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yay.
Now it is a lot less food than normal, but you weren't feeling the greatest today. So hopefully this food that's cooked with love will help. And if it doesn't, guys, this will help. Well, it's happening.
Got tested. It's still hot.
Yeah.
It's a hot pumpkin pie, but
I mean, it came out a little while ago. It should be solid enough to cut, but
it's a very good pumpkin pie.
I'm not sick enough for pie. And he ate all the dinner too, so.
Ready for Piper to go climbing?
She's ready for climbing. Not even on the stairs. Okay.
Nope.
Can't believe we're going in.
Yeah, it's cold too.
Yeah. We are walking out to the island.
Yeah, since the water's so low,
Yeah.
we can
got
walk out to it.
This little sandbar is right in between. Perfect. This island stinks. Yuck, yuck. It is a really pretty lake. Is it a lake or I don't know? Because we're at Caesar Creek, but this is what they're calling a creek. It's pretty dang big.
It's a big creek.
Uh-oh. Beach crazies. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. What?
If I let her off this leash, she'd be gone. Come on, Pipe, this way. Pipe. I don't know what it is about this part of the beach that does it to her. Pipe. This way. Come on.
She's like, I'm gonna get Wade. I'm waiting on Wade next. Come here, Wade.
Go this way. Reminds me of that video clip of her up in Michigan on the UP.
Oh my God, where she took off like a rocket?
Yeah, where she like didn't even touch the ground.
Let's go this way.
Where is this energy coming from?
I know where. From me staying inside cooking all day yesterday.
Oh, yeah, that'll do it.
We are at Pioneer Village, apparently. Fitches said to come here and check it on out. So we're gonna look at, there's a trail, I guess, that goes around this Pioneer Village. I don't know, nothing?
Yeah. That's one we haven't done. There is one.
Okay,
There you go, show the QR code, that way people can scan it.
yeah. Scan this QR code for photos and more. Caesar Creek, Pioneer Village. While we're out here, we came across the Horseshoe Falls Trail, which is an out and back of like 1.7 miles or so, I believe. And we're gonna kill two birds with one stone.
And if you look off to the right, the Pioneers had satellite TV.
Ooh, they were way ahead of their time. They just didn't even know. This trail in the Pioneer Village is about 10 miles from the state park campground that we were at.
Yeah, it's really not far.
Yeah, so it's a drive, but it's not, I mean, you're not gonna walk here, obviously. It's
No.
not connected to the park.
You could.
Yeah, if you were that dedicated, you absolutely could. But yeah, you have to go out into the main roads and all that, but I think it's worth it so far. Trail, 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 trail. Don't step in these gullies.
Found Andrea's bridge.
I hope this is not Andrea's bridge.
Yeah, look at the cables.
Piper finds her own way.
Yep. Blue? Blue or yellow?
I think we're supposed to stay on blue.
Blue?
I can't remember now.
Yeah, blue is the Horseshoe Falls Trail. Old grist mill site.
Maybe this is Andrea's bridge.
Maybe. We're still looking for Andrea's bridge. This looks really cool.
Yeah. Daredevil.
Yep.
Really stepping out there, aren't you? All right. Arrived. Horseshoe Falls. Let's go check it out, guys.
This is what we hiked for?
Oh, we can't even see it from over here.
No.
Wah, wah.
This is it.
So we gotta go back down.
Yep. Good luck. Godspeed.
Oh yeah. I think this is the true suspension bridge that Andrea told us about. For a second, we thought she was lying. It's okay. Good boy.
Come on, guy.
He's like, it's bouncy, I don't like
Come on,
it. It's like almost trying to walk over when you're
There's a dog
not.
over
Oh no. We can go to the sugar shack though. Barbecue shack, kitchen, picnic, shelter.
there. Yeah, sign says food court. I
Yeah,
am hungry.
see that. Uh-oh. That was warning number 2.
Number 3, and I turn into a different person.
That's 100% true. I'm getting scared now. Who else gets hangry like Mike? Is it?
I'm sure a lot of people.
Yeah. I don't know if it's like you. You're pretty intense. That was a nice hike that we did. Now we are leaving the Pioneer Village and everything because I got the 2 warnings. Mike needs to get some food. The dogs want to get some food.
We ordered pizza
Yeah.
from a local place.
Local place, Fitch's recommended it. It's Benito's. So
Yeah.
we will let you know because we are kind of like the pizza connoisseurs.
Yes, you
Oh,
can
no.
call it that.
Going off-roaded.
We're just getting it to go since we got the dogs with us. We don't want to leave them in the Jeep.
Yep. And then we're heading back to the race. Pizza and beer. The
Yep.
perfect post-hike meal.
I still am under the weather, but
Yeah.
health food like this should help boost.
Yeah, there's vegetables, there's green peppers, and banana peppers, so
Mm-hmm.
he's getting some vitamins. 2 seconds later, I don't know how you did this.
Get tangled up. Get tangled up.
We are leaving Caesars Creek State Park down in southwestern part of Ohio, I believe, and Piper will not stop trying to get on my lap.
I enjoyed it. I would come back. I had a very good time, minus being sick.
Yes, so that put a big damper on our
I
trip.
kind of pushed through and still did some hiking and stuff like that.
I was very impressed, thank you. I enjoyed it. It was kind of inconvenient if I wasn't here with the Fitches who had already been here and they knew that those other trails existed, but you had to drive to them, I never would have known. So, I mean, I guess you can find out if you do research, but you know how we roll, we don't.
So sometimes it's good to have a local guide.
Yeah. The fact that we could not get water here didn't really affect us that much. I mean, I thought it was gonna be like a pretty big bummer. The only thing we couldn't do is laundry. So now we have a giant load of laundry from, I don't know, over a week's worth of stuff. But overall, it was a good park, and I'm glad it stayed open and not too crowded. Good times.
Yep.
So until next time, see ya.
See ya.
This should be fun. 2 dogs, camera, snow. Let's see. Can I do it without hurting myself?